Hello and welcome to the explanation and demo video of the JK Music Android app. It is an educational project designed to show how music helps bridge the language barrier. With initials JK for Japanese and Korean, the app helps non-speakers go deeper into the meaning and background of Japanese and Korean songs and their singers. Before we go into the technical details, let's start with the big picture. Language is about communication and connection. It's about promoting understanding and bringing people together. Different languages also bring richness and diversity of history and culture. It stimulates and expands our minds to new and different things. It makes the world so much more colorful and interesting. However, different languages can be a barrier to communication. Even with translation, meaning is lost because we don't understand the cultural context, history or background. For example, we are familiar with the world-famous K-pop group, BTS. However, unless we dig further, we won't know what BTS means. BTS is the abbreviation of the Korean phrase
방탄소년단.
It roughly translates into Bulletproof Teenagers Group. The meaning is more apparent in Chinese characters, or kanji in Japanese, or hancha in Korean. In Japanese, it reads as
防弹少年団.
and in Chinese,
防弹少年团.
here is where the JK Music app comes in. With the rise in popularity of J-pop and K-pop, fans around the world want more than just listening to Japanese and Korean songs or watching the drama series. They want to go deeper. JK Music app is a convenient tool that bridges the language barrier through information technology using an Android music player. The components in this project are Android app development using Android Studio. The code is written in Java, and the music player library resource in Android Studio is also used. The features are the no-frills basic functionalities found in a normal music player. It has play and pause buttons, a volume bar, a scroll bar and loop play button. The unique value add is the lyrics and information button. Once pressed, the app shows not just the lyrics, but also additional and interesting information about the song and singer. It is this one-click convenience to deeper understanding. Let's look at the features demo. The starting point is at the Android emulator. The emulator is a function in Android Studio that allows Android apps to run on a PC. We press the JK Music app icon to launch the app. The JK Music app's main activity screen displays 3 songs with the album art, song title and singer. The first song is Gravity by Kim Jong-won in Korean. The second song is a Latin theme song in Korean by John and Lena Park. The third song is a Japanese song by Teresa Tang. Once we click on the icon of a particular song, the app moves to the Play Song screen. The song album art is displayed in the middle. We can play or pause the song, adjust the volume bar or use the seek bar to move forward or backward in the song. We can also toggle the loop play function. There is also a See More button. When the See More button is pressed, the lyrics and additional information about the song and singer are displayed. The user can learn more and appreciate the song better while conveniently listening to the song. Let's look at the Java code in Android Studio. In Android Studio, each screen in an Android app is called an activity. It is like a web page. There are 3 screens in the JK Music app and therefore 3 corresponding activities. The first is the main activity, the second is the play song activity, and the third is the display information activity. Each activity is further divided into a program code file and a display XML file. The program code controls the logic of the activity, while the display file controls the screen layout. Let's look at each of these files. The main activity XML file controls the layout of the main screen displaying the 3 songs. The constrained layout format is used. The middle song album art takes reference from the center of the screen, while the first and third songs take reference from the second song and the screen edges. The song title and singer text boxes take reference from the album art. At the main activity Java code file, it watches for which album art is selected by the user. This is done by setting each album art to on-click mode and given a certain ID name. In this way, the app can know which song is selected. We continue with the Play Song XML file, displaying the selected song and various music player controls. Unlike the first screen using constrained layout, this screen uses the linear layout. The linear layout is more suitable as each resource like the album art, scroll, and volume bars, and text boxes are all arranged from top to bottom, one after another. The scroll and volume bars are implemented using the Seek Bar resource in Android Studio. At the Play Song Java code file, this is where the bulk of the code is located. The various functionalities like play, pause, and volume control are implemented using the Music Player Library resource in Android Studio. Using the Seek Bar and OnClick Listener function, the user selections are captured and processed accordingly by the Java code. We continue with the Display Information XML file, displaying the song lyrics and additional information. This is just a straightforward image box filling the entire screen using the constrained layout. The image contains the lyrics and additional information. At the Display Information Java code file, it retrieves the information on which song is selected and calls up the corresponding lyrics and additional information image for display. Let's look at how the additional information promotes deeper understanding. We will go through the 3 songs, one at a time. Sung by Kim Jong-won, this song called Gravity in English is the theme song from the Korean drama, The King, Forever Monarch, starring Lee Min-ho and Kim Go-yoon. The drama entails parallel universes and time travel, and depicts 2 lovers earnestly reaching out to each other across different universes and time. The Korean song title translates roughly to attraction in English. The lyric speaks of the strong and enduring attraction between the 2 lovers, cutting through time and universes, to come together. The drama has a happy ending where the lovers grow old together, while moving between the Republic of Korea and the fictional Kingdom of Korea in a parallel universe. Sung by John and Lena Park, this song is the Korean version of the theme song, A Whole New World, from the popular Disney movie, Aladdin. It is a pleasant surprise to see this same song in multiple languages, including Korean and Japanese. Regardless of language, the song speaks of the wonders of the world as seen through the 2 lovers, Aladdin and Princess Jasmine, as they go forth into this new and wonderful world together, riding on the magic carpet. Sung by Teresa Tang, or also known by her Chinese name,
Deng Lijun.
This Japanese song is entitled
時の流れに身を任せ
which means giving oneself over to the flow of time. The song speaks of the intense love towards his or her lover, without whom there is no meaning in life. This song has a Chinese equivalent, called
我只在乎你
Teresa Tang, from Taiwan, was fluent in Japanese, and she is still popular in Japan to this day. Recently, a Japanese TV station, TBS, using holographic technology, reenacted a life-size 3D projection of Teresa Tang singing the song on stage. The audience was reportedly moved to tears seeing this lifelike performance. All the Android Studio Java code and slides are available for download at my GitHub folder. 3 placeholder background music are used for illustration, in place of the original songs. Thanks for watching, and have fun coding in Android Studio.